Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply coupons with the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're finding coupons on the Sprouts app. How do you actually go ahead and make sure that it applies when you shop in store? So let's take for example, if we click on coupons here, we have a save $2 in Calbee products. If you click on clip, this is going to make it so that it applies to your account. So when you actually go ahead and pay for your Sprouts order, click on My Barcode, have the employee or scanner scan your barcode, and then your coupons will be applied. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and apply coupons on the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.